In Minnesota, we have something called the sentencing guidelines. One of the things that you may see in the media is that somebody has been charged with a crime and their sentence is 0 to 10 years or 0 to 20 years. That's not what a sentence will actually be. We are obligated as prosecutors to look at the sentencing guidelines and look at how many criminal history points, that's what we refer to it as, somebody has, and how serious the case is, and there will be a range of sentences. Where do you find the Minnesota Sentencing Guidelines? They are easily found online. The Minnesota Sentencing Guidelines Commission can be looked up. That is a way where community can understand what the tools are that we are allowed to use and that we are all using in the system. So who creates the sentencing guidelines? There is a Minnesota Sentencing Guidelines Commission. It has many members who are appointed to it. The Minnesota Sentencing Guidelines are very different than the statutory maximums, that it is the guidelines that govern everything that we do.